Nobody tells you this when you buy a house. The cheap part is the mortgage. If you own a home, rent a home, or plan to one day, watch this before it costs you thousands. We run double duty. A junk removal, a landscaping company. We often do cleanouts, home evictions,
Evicted? Fine.
and things like that.
How much to make the garbage go away?
And we see the behind the scenes mess that homeowners got to deal with every single day. Not that pretty HGTV shit. I'm talking about broken pipes, sewer backups, and just overloads of junk that nobody ever accounts for. It just sneak ups on you as time goes on. Nobody budgets for this. The number one problem that happens when you're a homeowner is emergencies. Broken pipes, floods, things that you did not account for when you were initially buying this house. And nobody ever budgets for this stuff. Ever. Yeah, it's somebody's whole life right here, man. And it always hits you at the worst time. I kid you not. We were baking cookies for Christmas this weekend, and our stove went out. It's always something. That $300 emergency turns into $3 grand real fast. Let me know. Drop in the comments if you done had something like this happen to you, where it starts off as a small problem and it ends way worse than you thought. And no one talks about this. Accumulation, man. It starts off at just one couch, and next thing you know, you got a full trailer load. The longer that you wait, the dirtier, the heavier, the nastier it gets.
Much garbage?
Take care of your stuff early so you don't have to pay later. These are just real things that happens though. Accumulation adds up in basements, attics, garages. No one ever accounts for this, but your space can be revamped and can be viable. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give Double Duty a call, man. Join the Double Duty tribe. Cost number 3, outside maintenance. No one ever really pays attention to this. This is one of the things that appeals to customers even buying your property. So if your gutters are clogged, that can lead to bigger problems. If your outside leaves haven't been picked up, that can lead to patches in your grass. There's so many different things that need to get trimmed and need to get refreshed every year. So you putting the value into your home that it deserves. And neglect always costs more than maintenance, believe me. The snow melts, the spring hits, and now everybody think you just gave up.
I'm cold, I'm wet, I'm going home.
Drop in the comments if every spring you feel like you got to start all over. That's that Midwest living. If you're a landlord, I know this pain cut deep. From evictions, abandoned furniture, freaking holes in your walls. Like, that passive income turn active real quick, I promise you. Owning a second home is something that I want to get into myself, but believe me, just owning one home is a hell of an expense. So just know, if you're trying to get into rental properties and stuff like that, understand that all that income ain't passive, man. You got to pour that right back into the company, right back into the property, and invest in it. And hopefully that you get tenants, and make sure you vet your tenants, and make sure you're not getting people that's going to destroy it and put holes in your walls. I'm not saying this just to scare you, man. We're saying it because we live it every single day. Ownership, it isn't about pride. It's about responsibility. Like, take care of your stuff. Like, I wasn't raised on that. I really wasn't taught that growing up, to take care of my things. But now that I'm getting older and understanding the other side of wealth, and understanding how to keep things, how to preserve things, and understand that scrap metal is also a valuable thing as well, and not to be so wasteful when it comes to just everything. What all I gotta say is, comment homeowner if this hits home for you. If you in the Midwest and you need help cleaning up, clearing out, or getting ahead, Double Duty got you. Hit us up.